Have you ever watched a line of dominoes fall in perfect rhythm and thought, that looks so satisfying? I want to make that in Blender. Well, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to create that smooth, realistic domino chain animation from start to finish, even if you're new to animation. By the end, you'll have a clean, dynamic scene that feels alive and super satisfying to watch. So, without further ado, let's jump right in and start building our scene. First, press A to select everything in your scene and delete it all. Add a cube. In viewport shading, enable the cavity option and set it to both so your model looks sharp and defined. With the cube selected, press N to open the transform bar, and under dimensions, set X to 0.2, Y to 1, and keep Z as it is. These will be the proportions of your domino. Apply the scale, then grab the domino and move it up by pressing GZ1 and apply the location. Next, add a path curve, select it, and in edit mode, start shaping the path your dominoes will follow by grabbing and extruding the curve's vertices. Here, we'll create a spiral path to make the fall more visually satisfying. Once you're happy with the shape, select the domino again, add an array modifier, set the fit type to fit curve, enable constant offset, and pick the path as the curve object. Then, add a curve modifier and again choose the same path. If the dominoes bend awkwardly around sharp turns, go into edit mode on the curve and smooth those bends until everything aligns naturally. When your layout looks right, apply all modifiers with Ctrl+A. Select all dominoes, enter edit mode, press P separate by loose parts to make each domino an individual object. Now add a plane to act as the ground. To center each domino's pivot point, select all of them. Go to Object, set Origin to Geometry, and you can hide the path curve afterward. We won't need it anymore. Time for physics. Select one domino, open the physics properties, enable rigid body, and leave its type as active. Then select all dominoes, go to Object, rigid body, copy from active to apply those settings across all of them. For the plane, enable rigid body too, but set it to passive so it stays still. When you hit play, nothing happens yet. So grab one domino, rotate it slightly toward the next, and now when you press play, watch the chain reaction come to life. If your animation stops early around frame 250, just extend the end frame to 1000. Then go to Scene Properties, Rigid Body World. Set the end frame there to 1000, and bake the simulation. Hit play again, and enjoy your full domino animation running smoothly all the way through. And that's it. You've just built a beautiful, physics-driven domino effect in Blender. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around for more tutorials that'll level up your 3D skills.